watery.
Your eyes are watery.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ta-da! Yay! Oh, the pillows are set up for me. Oh, and also the spunky. Wait a second. Why does spunkies look like that? Why does the spunkies look like that?
I don't know. They're all in letters, aren't they? They say happy birthday.
Wait a second.
Oh, we got
There's a
something
spunky sound.
Yeah, you're spring. I know your presents.
Yay!
Do you have a look? There you go, darling. Yeah, you should be able to move your leg now. It's just all tight because of the plaster, baby.
I love it.
Oh.
Now we got to miss the
He's so tiny though, isn't he?
Yes, you are in.
There you go. Oh my gosh, what have you got in there? Cap straight out from outside. I see. Get a better look. Can you see them? Oh, do you want to get out and get a photo with the elephant, Carter?
Sit on it.
Do you want to sit on it?
Mama, look at Mama.
Oh, look at them.
Slime.
Yeah, look.
I want to see the tigers.
The tigers. We're going to go see the tigers in a minute. What's that?
What are you doing?
Some big turkey.
Oh, hang on. I need the toilet. Okay. Hi. Yeah? What? No, I didn't see them a minute ago.
We sat on the floor, eating our curd some way. And one came past her, because I was overstimulated and the kids have not stopped screaming today.
Was done in. Bro. Wow. Yeah, look at Mummy.
Oh wow!
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Sugar. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh wow. Come on, Mum. Can you see them?